And then the battery too, they have two types of battery. This one is 16,000. They have 12,000 and this one is 16,000. Now we have to check the battery. Yesterday the charge, is it full or is not full? So this is what I'll take it and test this and check the battery if it's okay. I think I wanted to lose one. No, I don't think it's. So now this is the thing. You see, this line is 2. So when you turn it like this, you not get it. You have to turn it like this. So this sign, it will come up. And then you start from like this. Now I'm seeing my battery. My battery is 4.1.
Yes.
4.19. Which is good. I have to try this one too. The same thing, you have to make sure you turn it like this. This one to face up.